Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Klaviyo flows for affiliate offers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your Klaviyo flows for affiliate offers, first, log into your Klaviyo account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Flows tab found on the left sidebar. Locate the flow you wish to back up. Click on the flow to open it. Once the flow opens, look for the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the option labeled Export from this menu. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the export. Click Export Flow to begin the process. Klaviyo will generate a JSON file that contains your flow's configuration. This file will be downloaded automatically to your device. Make sure to choose a location on your computer where you can easily find the backup file. Now that you have your flow backed up, you can restore it whenever necessary. To do this, go back to your Klaviyo dashboard. Select the Flows tab again. In the top right corner, click on the Create Flow button. Choose the option to import flow. Upload the JSON file you previously downloaded. After uploading, you'll need to review the flow to ensure it's set up correctly. Make any necessary adjustments, especially to the email or SMS content. Finally, save your flow to keep your modifications. You now have a successfully backed up and restored Klaviyo flow for your affiliate offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.